Right, now we're going to put extra filler light grey. So this is a filler which you put over the wheels, and that will hopefully cover any blemishes. You put quite a few of these coats on, quite a few. You build it up, build it up. Technically you can't put too much of this, but one of these cans will do 2 of these wheels, 22 inch. I use 1 can on 2 wheels. That may be overkill, but I do things 100%. Typical Leo, 100%. So this is going to be 100% good, very good, or 100% crap. So it's going to be one or the other. So let's get cracking. Let's hope it's 100% perfect, yeah? Right, so you do some light coats. I've changed my top because this is an old top, so don't mind getting paint on it. Oh, another thing, always remember to wear a mask, otherwise your lungs are going to be light grey. Not recommended. Here we go. Before I use this, I placed it in a pan of hot water to make the can warm. Apparently that's supposed to obviously increase the pressure because of the heat, but give you a better, finer spray. So you get better coverage by heating this up in a pan of hot water. Not for long, otherwise it'll explode and that'll make a mess of everybody, especially me. Right, so that mask, that's our coat. I'll show you that. Hopefully you'll see what I mean. Then once this is dried, we use the 600 and we're ready to put on the grey, graphite grey or gunmetal grey, depends on what you like to call it. Well, that's how it's going to look, and I'll just show you that now. There we go. Don't know if you can see that. Good. But as you can see, it's still taped up, and this is how it looks at the moment. Quite nice, if you like that grey. But that's just primer grey. Alright, so we'll go back to the get this put back. Oh. Right, and I'll lift this wheel up so you can see. Wow. Okay. Primered, we're going to let that dry. Now I'll show you what I do. Like I said, I don't do it my way. Typical Leo. You go right, I'll go left. Okay. So we'll use this magic tool. Now girls are probably familiar with this. Or guys. Anyway, I'll finish that off. Basically, because I live in the UK, we don't get the hot climate as we'd like. So by doing that, I like to warm things up. Probably be a good idea to warm the aluminium up before you paint, because it always helps if you put it on a warm surface. Right, so I'm going to finish hair drying it. Make sure I don't give it a perm. And the next step is the graphite grey. Okay, let's move on.